Have you ever pondered the significance of those vivid lines on an airfield? They're more than just paint on a runway. They're essential markers guiding pilots, ground crew, and air traffic controllers, ensuring smooth and safe operations. Jointline is a market leader in airfield and airport line marking in the United Kingdom and across the world. Servicing airports, airfields, and military sites, Jointline's rise to the top has been powered by a relentless commitment to quality, safety, and innovation. Line marking, from complete runway delineations to taxiway demarcations and hazard identification, is an indispensable component of airfield infrastructure. Jointline's seasoned team, equipped with cutting-edge technology, applies their expertise to deliver surface markings that strictly adhere to regulations. The distinguishing factor in Jointline service is compliance with stringent regulations and meeting the SRV values as outlined in ICAO Annex 14. This isn't just any line marking material, it's a superior quality blend, coupled with a unique grading of aggregates. This blend results in a high friction value where necessary, aligning with the surrounding runway surfaces. Jointline's specialty lies in the use of single-pack epoxy. This specialist paint, used in tandem with skid-resistant additives, enhances the friction values of the markings. This modern approach replaces traditional line marking materials like thermoplastic, significantly reducing the risk of foreign object debris, or FOD. But Jointline's commitment to excellence doesn't stop there. We invest heavily in the latest equipment, capable of applying large volumes of material within tight windows of opportunity. Whether it's implementing new layouts or changes on airfields, Jointline has a range of removal techniques that comply with necessary legislation. Jointline's airfield line marking services are a blend of experience, expertise, and technological edge. They ensure not just compliance with regulations, but also a commitment to safety and operational efficiency. So the next time you spot those lines on an airfield, remember they're not just lines, they're Jointline's mark of excellence.